Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy tapenade. It's an olive kind of spread that's perfect for just a snack, for lunch, for brunch, and it's actually a really good thing to put out at holidays. You could just throw it with some nice gourmet crackers, and it looks super fancy, but it's very easy. So all you need is a couple of ingredients and a food processor, and let's get started. I have here about 1 to 2 cups of mixed olives. You have to make sure that whatever olives that you use, they are pitted. You cannot put pits in your food processor. Don't make that mistake. It has happened to people. But I have a mix here of Kalamata olives as well as some green olives, and I'm just going to put them in my food processor without getting them all over the place. Perfect. The next ingredient that we are going to add is a little bit of a minced garlic. So when you buy minced garlic like this in the store, half of a teaspoon is 1 clove. So I have a full teaspoon here, so we have about 2 cloves of garlic that we are putting into this recipe. So if you have whole cloves at home, you're going to use 2. But I actually like to use this like store-bought minced for this recipe. The garlic flavor is a little bit smoother and not as like sharp as raw garlic. Go ahead and use what you want, but for me, I'm going to use the minced from the store today. The next ingredient is optional, except I like to add it because it does add a little bit of color as well as some nice, sweet, smooth, contrasting flavors. So I have some pepperdew peppers here that I'm going to throw into this tapenade. Again, a little bit for the color, but kind of for that sweet, contrasting taste. You can use a roasted red pepper for this, a pimento pepper. These are pepperdews. I just got them at my Wegmans, and you're just going to dump them in. If you can't find this, you can skip this step, but I actually really like it, and go ahead and give it a try. You're going to like it too, because it's just kind of like a differing flavor from the salty olive. We're going to squeeze in the juice from 1 whole lemon. If you need to substitute for lemon juice, that's fine. Last ingredient, we are doing 2 tablespoons of a good olive oil, extra virgin. Perfect. And then we're just going to pulse this for about 1 to 2 minutes until it makes kind of like a thick, chunky paste. That's the texture that we were looking for here. So just go ahead and pulse it out. And if you have to, you're going to want to scrape down the sides so that all of your olives gets nice and chopped up. So you might have to kind of just come through here with the scraper and get it back over the blade so that you don't have any huge chunks here. And believe it or not, guys, that is it. This is a delicious homemade tapenade. So I'm going to take a little taste here. We won't dip back in. This will just be my little taste. It's perfect. The flavors are perfect. It comes together nice. That, I'm telling you, the pepperdew peppers, it's like a sweet, smooth contrast to the salty olive. You guys are going to love this. Throw this on your holiday table, Thanksgiving, Christmas. It's great, really, any time of the year. But it really is a really delicious combination of flavors. Just throw it out there with some crackers, and you have yourself a tasty treat or snack or appetizer. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more easy, fun, awesome recipes like this one every Tuesday. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.